Okay, Israel, we're looking at your 1994 or 95 motorhome computer, RUB0. It's a speed density EC4 computer, and this thing definitely needs some capacitors. So you've got three of them. The first one here actually looks fairly well. Let's see if I can get a better photo there. It's bad, but it's not nearly as bad as the other two. There you go. The second one is really bad. It spilled its guts a long time ago. And everywhere you see that looks like liquid on the board there, that's where that electrolytic fluid or that acid has leaked to. And we're going to probably have to do a little bit of repair there, but no big deal. And then this one is the most concerning that I've seen. That one's pretty bad. The fluid there, if you look at it like that, you can see it's oozed out and ran all the way down to this this black component there, whatever that is. So there's a whole lot of little traces there that I'm concerned with, that some of this acid is kind of eaten through there. So we might be into some extra work there, but we won't know until we get these dud capacitors out and cleaned up. This thing still has the original teal blue Ford factory capacitors, so it's never been worked on before. Other than that, everything looks pretty good. So I think it's a pretty good candidate. I'm told this thing still runs in the vehicle, but it's running a little funky. And that sounds about right for what I see. So on to the tester. This is the before test. So we power it up and we see the fuel pump run for 1 second. When we turn it on, 1001 and off. Fuel pump is priming. Check engine light is coming on and power is flowing through this thing. The 5-volt regulator does have 5 volts. And we go into code pulling mode. You're going to see it freak out for a second, and then it should start blinking some 2-digit trouble codes, maybe 3-digit trouble codes. And it is. So, this thing's still functional at this point, but it is definitely time to get these capacitors out of there before they do any more damage than they already have to the board below. All right, see you soon.